The string of pearls plant is not particular about its conditions. Give it enough light and fertilizer, it will grow quite vigorously in a season. A single plant will survive for about 5 years if properly cared for, but if you propagate new plants from stem cuttings, you can effectively keep it alive indefinitely. To enable this plant to shine, consider growing string of pearls with multiple stems in a hanging basket. Its branches can also be intertwined, and you can also grow it in a dish, allowing it to form a terrestrial mat the way it is in the wild. String of pearls has no significant disease problems, and it doesn't require much care. It does, however, need plenty of light all year.